for everybody, there will be a dream to go to a 7-star or a 5-star hotel and try something like this from a chef, right? So I'm trying to impress you with this dish. Now you're thinking, what kind of dish is this? It's a tiger prawn poached in butter, infused with ginger, garlic, green chili, curry leaves. On the base, I have given a leek stir fry with some coconut. And for the sauce, it's a bisque, a French classical bisque, but with a twist. How to prepare, how to plate, tips, everything in this video. So don't miss out to see the whole video. If you like this dish, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it. Your comments makes me perfect. On the same time, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Don't throw the shells and the head. We'll use for the stock. To the prawns. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, salt, a dash of vinegar, combine well. Take a pot like this on a medium heat. Add butter, the prawn shells, combine well. The skin color change into dark red. Let's crush the shells so all the flavor will be extracted. The prawns shell is getting right now. Onions, celery, carrots, the upper part of the leeks rough cut, stir continuously. The vegetable, it's already soft now and a little bit colored. Tomato paste, combine well. Deglaze with white wine. Add water or stock. Give a quick stir. Bay leaves, coriander stem, the fennel seed, basmati rice, bring to boil. 1 red chili, no need to cut, just whole chili. The stock we just made, it's starting to simmer. Let's reduce into half. The stock we just made is reduced into half and it's very thick now. The rice are cooked. Starch from the rice made it thick. Turn off the heat. Let's strain the stock. Make sure you extract all the flavors. Make sure you extract all the juices. It's a lot of flavors are there. The stock we extracted, we will put back into the same pot. Salt. Give a quick stir. Turn on the heat and bring to boil. Add the first milk. Give a quick stir. After adding the first milk, don't get it boiled. Turn off the heat. A quick splash of lemon juice. Place a pot like this to poach the shrimps on a medium heat. Add oil. Add butter. Garlic. Ginger finely shredded. Curry leaves. Slit green chilies. Stir continuously till the fragrance comes out. The fragrance from the ginger and the garlic and the chili is coming out now. Shallots. The shallots are golden now. When the shallots are golden, we will reduce the heat to very low. Then we start the process of poaching. Add butter. After that, adding the butter, make sure it never get boiled. If it start getting boiling, remove from the heat, because then the process of poaching will be converted as a frying. We need a very soft poaching. Add the shrimps. When we do the poaching, make sure the shrimp is fully covered with butter. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm using here the unsalted butter, so add a little bit of salt. If you are using salted butter, no need to add the salt. The color is changing a little bit. That's how it should be. It will take time. We can cook this prawns for 5 to 7 minutes. One very important step when we poaching the prawns: don't get overcooked, then it will be rubbery. Let's flip the prawns from the bottom so it gets evenly cooked. See, it's well poached, juicy. Remove from butter. flavorful things. The ginger, the garlic, the chili, the curry leaf. Top of the prawns. For making the leeks, the stir fry leeks, put a pot like this on a medium heat. The butter we used for the poaching the prawns, we can add to the skillet. The butter is very hot now. Add thinly sliced leeks. Stir the leeks. Add coconut. Stir. Salt. Freshly cracked black pepper. Give a quick stir. Turn off the heat. When you cook this leeks, make sure it's still very crunchy. Not need to cook mushy. Add the butter, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, and the chili on the top. Add some sprigs of cilantro. Now we add the bisque to one side. Plate in front of us. It's so beautiful, the presentation. I don't want to touch, but the fragrance from that dish, it's tempting me to taste. Let's taste the dish. Sauce first, the bisque. Wow, nice creaminess from the coconut, the fennel seed, then the tiger prawns, flavor so beautiful. Let's taste the shrimps. It's melting in the mouth. Soft, tender, and the flavors are so beautiful. Very nice. Let's try the leeks. Very good. The crunchiness and the coconut, so beautiful. Let's try everything. shrimps, leeks, and the bisque. Wow, what a combination! What a combination! Wow. You enjoyed it, but don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. See you with a new video.